Sir, combined state ka, if we have to see for 2004 and 5 and 5 and 6, yahin par aapki kitab mein in the same book the figures are not matching. I just read the figures earlier and I turned the page and see the figures for the same year. Now what I see is that the combined state total expenditure for the year 2004 and 5, it is again saying 47,153. For 2005 and 6, it is saying 48,306. Sir, and again, combined state 2006 and 7, 56,648, that is wrong. 2007 and 8, 74,875, that is wrong. 2008 and 9, 80,804, that is wrong. 2009 and 10, 85,075, that is wrong. 2010 and 11, 1,06,36, that is also wrong. Now let me go further ahead, sir. Sir, और एक चीज sir, important, sir, here on page number 4, sir, page number 4, the first table, sir, it is saying right from for the year 2014 and 15 se leke 2022 se 23 tak, sir, it says budget estimate total, sir, 14,87,834. Expenditure 12,24,877. Sir, now let us go to the resources spent in the Telangana region, United Andhra Pradesh, right from 1956. 1956 से लेकर हम 57 financial years को लेते हैं, the total amount, combined state total expenditure is 1,94,945. 11,94,945, sir. Sir, again if we go, अगर हम पीछे जाते हैं पेज नंबर 4 पे सर, तो हमको देखना चाहिए कि तेलंगाना में हम क्या खर्चे हैं. How much? That's what. जो आंध्र प्रदेश में नहीं हुआ 10 साल में तेलंगाना में हो गया, जो 57 इयर्स में नहीं हुआ. अब अगर देखते हैं सर कि तेलंगाना, सर आई एम टेलिंग यू कि आपके फिगर्स कुछ सही नहीं है साहब इसमें. प्लीज.
अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी जी, जो कर्नाटका एस्टिमेट्स का जो पेज नंबर 5 में कर्नाटका जो डेटा के बारे में कुछ कहा, अगेन आई एम कोटिंग ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड ऑफ Karnataka state budget. I'm going to place this record in front of the house. 2021 estimated budget, Karnataka budget 2021 budget estimates 2,31 crores 442.14, and expenditure incurred accounts 2021 and 22 2,61,931.86 crores. This is Karnataka official budget source. So here my learned friend is quoting from CAG report. We have quoted Karnataka state budgetary document. So please correct yourself or please correct myself.
Right, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, thank you so much, sir. Now the question arises, in your white paper, very conveniently, you are using RBI, you are using CAG, you are using Telangana budget in brief. So I want to know, and in fact I would say that we all would like to know, shall we follow RBI, shall we follow CAG, or shall we follow Telangana budget in brief? What does the Constitution say? What does the rule position say? The state budget, we need to follow, we need to discuss on this. And CAG is the authority which audits. Yes, report देते हो. तो हम ये देखते हैं. तो now if you have to see your white paper, Honorable CM Saab, इसमें हम आरबीआई भी ले रहे, सीएजी भी ले रहे, स्टेट बजट भी ले रहे, wherever it is convenient for us, we are taking it. Sir, I am not here to protect anybody, sir. Let me make it very clear. I am here to protect my state of Telangana, sir. I do not want a wrong message to be sent by this house that this state is in distress. ये स्टेट बीमारू हो गया, ये स्टेट तबाह हो गया, ये स्टेट में अब कुछ नहीं है, ये मैसेज हमको नहीं भेजना है सर. लेट अस क्रिटिसाइज द रॉन्ग डूइंग सर. एनी रॉन्ग डूइंग्स, एनी इंक्वायरी, वी आर हियर टू सपोर्ट.
या सर, द पॉइंट हियर सर, సార్ ఇక్కడ ఈరోజు వైట్ పేపర్ పెట్టడానికి కారణము స్టేట్ ఏదో డెఫిసిట్గా పోతుందని, స్టేట్ రేపొద్దున రాబోయే కాలంలో ఏం చేయలేని పరిస్థితిలో ఉందని, ఈరోజు స్టేట్ ఫినాన్సెస్ బాగాలేవని అని ఫోకస్ మొత్తం గ్లోబల్ లెవెల్లో చేయడానికి కాదు. ప్రోగ్రెస్ రిపోర్ట్ అధ్యక్ష, సింపుల్ ప్రోగ్రెస్ రిపోర్ట్ ఆఫ్ 10 years ఆఫ్ their రూల్. సింపుల్ ప్రోగ్రెస్ రిపోర్ట్. అప్పులు ఏంది సార్? అప్పులు చేయండి ఏ రాష్ట్రం ముందుకు పోలేదు. అప్పులు సరైన విధానంలో ఖర్చు పెట్టినరో లేదో చెప్పడానికే ఈ రాష్ట్ర జనాభాకి, ఈ రాష్ట్ర ప్రజలకు చెప్పడానికి ఉన్నాం. రేపొద్దుగాల కూడా, రేపొద్దున టుమారో వి స్టాండ్ హియర్ నాట్ టు షో కేస్, హియర్ వి ఆర్ హియర్ టు సీ అవర్ స్టేట్ and put forward state as a developed state tomorrow. So here I would like to tell you, and honorable member who is a senior member too, we are here to put a progress report of the last 10 years, sir. We will take this state from here as the first state of India in terms of developmental statistics. We will prove it after 5 years.
Thank you. This is what I want. This is, honorable speaker, sir. Sir, I thank legislative affairs minister Saab for his words. This was what I want, sir. This was what I was wanting. I am not wanting a wrong message to go out of this house. Thank you very much. And we are also there. We will support you to make the state #1 state in the country. We will lend our support. Our criticism is going to be constructive. If I am criticizing this book, it is not that I am coming for TRS or BRS, sir. No, sir. I am just trying to correct this. From last 25 years, sir, I stand and I scream and I shout and I say that for God's sake, for heaven's sake, give us the right figures. But the bureaucrats sitting there who are supposed to be very learned, very educated, they fail to give proper information, they fail to give us the right figures. And action should be initiated on those such bureaucrats who mislead this house. We are led by the information provided by the bureaucrats and the department. Let it be the Honorable Chief Minister, let it be the leader of the opposition, let it be any floor leaders, let it be any legislatures. We follow the book and what has been tabled in the house. So let us make sure that whatever is being tabled is accurate and right. And any time if it is found to be wrong, an action will be initiated against those officers.